Good morning, students. Today we will start exercise 3.1 of class 10. There is the first question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Okay, so is in this type question, first we let present age of the Aftab and present age of his daughter. So let present age of Aftab, we take x years. Now because our chapter in 2 variable, linear equation in 2 variable, so we take age of the Aftab daughter. Let present age of Aftab daughter is equal to y years. Now according to question we will solve this question. 7 years ago means 7 साल पहले. I was you know in past. I was 7 times as old as you were then. means मैं 7 साल पहले जो तुम्हारी उम्र है उसका 7 गुना था. तो what is the age of the Aftab 7 years ago? So according to question, if we write now present age of the Aftab x year, 7 years ago 7 साल पहले क्या होगी आफ्ताब की एज x minus 7. Similarly this is Aftab age. Similarly we can write Aftab daughter's age. So what is the Aftab daughter age now present y years, and 7 years ago 7 साल पहले, तो means 7 minus, we subtract 7 from there. Now what is the relation between these two? We want to make equation, linear equation we use equal sign. So we want to write here equal sign. So how we equate both? So there is given hint 7 times. So who is 7 times? Aftab is 7 times because his father is always greater. His age is always greater than his daughter. So we take this is greater, this is small. So means this is 7 times. If we take this one 7, then this will be 7 7 ja 49. So if we take here 9, then 9 7 ja 63. So means this is the 7 time. Aftab is 7 times. So which side we multiply 7 so that both are become equal? So we multiply this side. 7 7 ja 49. So means which is smaller? Then that side we multiply by 7. So these are become equal. This is Aftab age. This is Aftab daughter age. Now this we equate both by multiply by 7. Aftab is 7 times, so we multiply other side 7 to get equal. Okay. Now just you solve this. X minus 7, 7 y minus 7 7 ja 49. Now x minus 7 y is equal to minus 49 plus 7. So x minus 7 y is equal to minus 42. This is equation number 1. Now another condition. Also 3 years from now I shall, you know, shall, will, these are used for future. Means future. In age future we add plus be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation. So now okay, again according to question, also 3 years from now, 3 years from now, 3 साल बाद, तो what is the aftab age? X plus 3. What is the aftab daughter age? Y plus 3. Now what is the relation between these two? We want to make equation this by writing equal sign. So this is aftab age because he is father. So therefore his age is always greater than his daughter. So who is more time? Aftab how much? 3 times. So aftab is 3 times. So we multiply other side by 3 so that both are equal. X plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 3 3 is 9. Now x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3, x minus 3y is equal to 6. This is equation number 2. Now these equation 1 and 2 are collectively known as algebraical representation of the situation. Okay. Now for graphically representation, we make first equation from equation 1. So we making equation 1 how? X minus 7, y minus 7, this side we multiply by 7. So what we get? Equation 1, here we get equation 1 x minus 7, 7y minus 49. So now we get x minus 7, 7 is gone other side, x is equal to 7y minus 49 plus 7. So what we get? X is equal to 7y minus 42. So here we put the value of the y. Put y is equal to 6. Then what we get? X 7 multiply 6 minus 42. Then what we get? 42 minus 42 is equal to 0. Similarly again we put another value also, y is equal to 7. Then x is equal to what we get? 7 into 7 minus 42, what we get? 49 minus 42, we get 7. Similarly from second equation, from equation 2, we know equation 2 is this: x minus 3y is equal to 6. X minus 3y is equal to 6. So x is equal to, we get 3y plus 6. Now put in this equation y is equal to 0. Then x is equal to what we get? 3 into 0 plus 6. So we get 6. Now put y is equal to minus 1 or minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2, then we get x is equal to 3 into minus 2 plus 6, we get 0. Now from there we make table. So from equation 1 we get this table: x, y. When value of the x is 0, then value of y is 6. When y is 7, then x is equal to also 7. You maybe find one more value up to 3 or by 2 are also we can do. Now second, this is for equation 1. Now for equation 2, from equation 2 we make table x, y. When x is equal to 6, then y is equal to 0. When y is equal to -2, then x is equal to 0. Okay. From these two tables we draw the graph. How we draw graph? You know, first draw a line. This is known as y-axis, and other line is known as x-axis. Here we take equal gaps, or we can draw on the graph paper. This is origin 0, 0. Then we write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, other side is -1, -2, -3, -4, like that. Similarly, this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Downside -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now from equation 1, when x is 0, where is x 0? On the origin. There x is 0. Then y is equal to how much? 6. Here. So we write here point. Here we always write x first. X is 0, y is 6. This is the point. Now when x is 7, y is also 7. So we go this side from here, there, and from this side we go from here also this side. This point is known as 7, 7. Now join these two with the help of scale. This is known as equation 1. Okay, this is equation 1. You write there equation 1. Similarly, when x is equal to 6, this is equation x is equal to 6. There is 6, y is equal to 0. So we draw here like that. Now another, when x is equal to 0, then y is equal to -2. This one. Here x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. We write like that. Here x is equal to 0, y is equal to -2. Now join these two. This representation is known as graphical representation of the question 1 or situation 1. Okay, thank you.